In English, there are some words that change the meaning based on which syllable you stress. These are often two-syllable words that can function as both nouns and verbs. When the stress is on the first syllable, the word is usually a noun. When the stress is on the second syllable, the word becomes a verb. Let's have a look at some of them. Present. Stressed on a first syllable is a noun, and it means a gift or a current time. You could say, I received a wonderful present for my birthday. Present, on the other hand, stressed on the second syllable, is a verb, and it could mean to give something formally or to show something. You could say, I will present my findings to the class tomorrow. Insult. Stressed on the first syllable is a noun. An insult is a disrespectful or offensive remark. For example, that comment was an insult to my intelligence. In a form of a verb, we'd say insult, stressing the second syllable. So it would mean to speak to someone with disrespect or offend them. For example, he didn't mean to insult you. It was a misunderstanding. So what about suspect or suspect? Well, as a noun, suspect, stressed on a first syllable, is a person believed to have committed a crime. For example, the police have a suspect in the case. A verb, suspect, stressed on the second syllable, means to believe something is true or to think someone is guilty. For example, I suspect he knows more than he's telling us. Record, a noun, record, stressed on the first syllable, means a piece of evidence, achievement. For example, she set a new record in the 100 meters. But a verb, record, stressed on the second syllable, means to capture sound or performance on a device. For example, please record the lecture for me. Produce. As a noun, produce, stressed on the first syllable. This could be, for example, fruits and vegetables. The grocery store sells fresh produce. But produce as a verb, stressed on the second syllable, means to create or manufacture something. For example, factories produce goods for sale. Object or object. As a noun, object, stressed on the first syllable, it means a thing that can be seen or touched. For example, there was a strange object in the sky. But a verb, object, stressed on the second syllable, means to express or feel disapproval. For example, I object to that statement. So why this is important? Understanding the difference in stress and pronunciation helps to avoid confusion in everyday conversations. If you stress the wrong syllable, you might end up saying the wrong word entirely, which could lead to misunderstandings. Next time you come across these words, pay attention to how they are pronounced and try practicing them with the correct stress. So, can you explain the difference between convert and convert, and then conflict and conflict? Have a go at it in the comments. Practicing out loud will help you master the difference.